Good afternoon, boys and girls. We are here today to make a quick, inexpensive gift basket from the Dollar Tree yet again. So let's get started. We already have our items staged, so we're going to secure them and add shred. Going to put the finished product back there as a backer. Throw some shred right there in the back and around. Got my 3 dots. Want to secure that box right there. That take no more work. I used my little glue dots earlier. But we're going to use more of that. Probably should push back, but put glue dots on the butts of our flowers. And right there in the corner. Right there in that corner, and add more shred. And the best part of this inexpensive gift is that you can find these local items at your these items at your local Dollar General and or Dollar Tree. I like the color scheme. And then the final piece, we're going to add these cute little earrings. And what sold me on this was the fact that this right here, when it fastens down, it's metal. So I don't have to do too much. More shred. And there we have it, you guys. A beautiful piece. This is the final look. That's the final look.